Oh, God. All right, let's do this. By the way, for those of you guys just tuning in, we have gotten permission from a whole bunch of employees. They're all cool with me dumpster diving. Oh, there's no trap door, dude. Oh, wait. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Wait, this isn't exactly the wood I'm looking for. These are all thick woods. These are all thick woods. We need skinny woods. This looks like a whole bunch of splinters, man. Yeah, we're looking for micro wood. This is all big wood. This is a lot of white and black wood. I don't see any yellow wood. Size definitely matters. We don't want, yeah, we need Asian wood. We need Asian wood, not this wood. I don't want to get splinters either. Hold on. I don't see anything. Like I was hoping more of like an actual real dumpster, you know, with trash bags. Not this. You have to find a microwood. Okay, yeah. Bamboo. Yeah, we need bamboo. This is not it. This is not it. I don't see any skinny ones. And there's a lot of nails. This looks like not what I'm looking for. We'll ask this guy. We'll ask this guy. Ah. Excuse me, sir. I was told by a bunch of the employees inside that I should look inside the dumpster for like long, skinny, broken wood sticks. But would I find it more in this one instead?
No, I don't know about that.
Oh.
You know that they told the wood is the one you were checking.
Yeah, it's just too big. I'm looking for skinny, like Asian wood, like bamboo. Or maybe even some string. Would you happen to know?
No.
No? Because I'm trying to make a kite on stream. And I don't know, maybe you guys have some materials you're giving away, like trash. You know where I can get some free string or something?
Oh, they do have twine.
Oh yeah, we're for free.
Yeah, on the, you know where they're exiting right now?
Yeah?
On the big orange.
I can just go there and take it?
Yeah, there's twine.
Nobody's
gonna
gonna
cut it. Yeah, because they use it to tie up when they put the unit.
They don't care if I take it.
The whole, you get some, yeah. They want.
Oh, I have to buy something though?
No, you can just go get twine.
Okay. Thank you so much. At least we got some twine. Thank you, thank you. Wait, can you, is it possible if you escort me so it doesn't look like I'm trying to just steal twine?
Yeah.
Awesome. I need to have, you know, get vetted from an employee. Get his IG. Hey, by the way, do you have Instagram?
Huh?
Do you have I'm wondering if I can get your Instagram. I think you're cute.